Friend Christmas. Christmas friend. Friend present. Christmas friend present. Oh. Even though it's early, I've been a very good dinosaur. And Stegaclaus leaves many presents. What could it be? What could it be? Is it something for my tooth? Is it presents for friends? My tiny claws. Oh! 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 Oh, a friend! A friend! A dinosaur! A dinosaur! A friend! A friend! Rawr! 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 Friend! Brachiosaurus Rex is here to stay. Friend, put it in the tree for next present time. Huh? This is a book. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. What? Friend presents. Thank you, Stegaclaus. Please don't be a book. Oh! Coloring activities. Wow, Dino friend. Dino friend. Friend. Next present. Dino coloring book. Good job, Stegaclaus. What do you guys want for Christmas? I hope it's not a tube. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Is it chocolate beans? World peace? This is the writings of Kierkegaard, the philosopher. It's a dinosaur. Oh! Oh! Dino-sized markers! Oh, sidewalk chalk paint. Oh. Oh. Wait. Can I draw on the dinosaur book? Green is a good dino color. Wow! Wow! How did it... I'll figure this out later, friends. Something with the buttons. Something with that. Hooray! Next present. Are you guys my friend? Are you my friend? I love you. I love you, and thank you, Stegaclaus, for all the presents. This is a big one. I hope it's not fragile. What do you think it is? Guess at home what you think it is. It has a blue. As you see, it has a blue. Right here. It has a blue. So let's open it. Writings of Foucault. Presents. What is this? Ah! Oh! Oh! It's me! It's a depiction of me. Let's do it. Let's do it. That kind of looks like a dragonfish? A horsefly fish? You put it like that. You put it like this. And then you put it. That looks like me. That looks like me. Next present. Those are my mom and dad's presents. Next present. Oh, it sounds very fun. Ah, another me. Christmas is so the greatest. I have presents of dinosaur friends for all my little things friends from Stega Claus. Look at this. I love Christmas time because I'm going to see all my other friends, Brachiosaurus, Triceratops, all my friends and family, and we're going to draw a picture together. I love you guys. Oh, it's a maze. It's a maze. It's a maze. But thank you, friends, for all your holiday wishes. Here's what Dinosaur got. As you can see, it's a scary dinosaur, just like me. Maybe I'll get a meatball, like I wanted. Maybe I'll get a meatball. Should I draw on the crayon a picture? There. Crayon time. Where's my book? Where's my book? Where's... Ah, here it is. No worries. I freaked out a little bit back there, didn't I, friends? Okay. Here we have a story of a friendly dinosaur named Pete. He's green. He's green and luscious. Then he meets a friendly other dinosaur with an egg. Named? What should we name him at home, friends? His name is Christmas. So we have Christmas and Pete the dinosaur. Here we go. Do you see it? They see it. That's good. Thank you for seeing it. Christmas and Pete. And they go on all these adventures. Like this one time, Pete goes, hey, do you want to go to the mall? And Christmas says, no thanks. And Pete says, why? And Christmas says, I'm just not really feeling up to it. Thanks for the invite. And Pete says, okay. And that's such a good story. And what it teaches you is that you should respect your friends and their opinions. Oh, and here we have Triceratops Wonderburger. He's blue. He's blue and so gruff. He works out a lot. He goes to the gym and he lifts like so much. It's pretty cool. Triceratops, he's a pretty cool guy. You see him? You see him, friends? Good. Would you guys at home like to draw with me? Ooh, which one is different? Those are always fun. Let's play with the people at home. Is this good on the camera? Which one is different? I can't tell. I can't tell. Which one is different? It is... Oh, that's the answer? C. I don't know why. C. Huh. Oh, I love presents. What's your favorite thing about Christmas time, friends? I saw Santa Claus yesterday here at Little Things, but he had to go. His hands were messy from making the cake. Oh, here we have a finned dinosaur. He looks like a Starbuck. And then here we have another dinosaur. It looks like he has a butterfly, but that's actually a little thing. Ugh. Where did... Okay. And then here's the story of Steve Harvey and Simon Cowell. Steve Harvey was talking to his friend Simon Cowell, and he says, you know what the best thing about life is? And Simon Cowell says, I don't know, mate, what is it? And Steve says, it's the love, man. And if you see Steve Harvey, he has this thing where he jumps, and it's great. You need to watch that video. That's a fun video. And Simon Cowell says, I agree, mate. You're not a very good singer, though, eh? This is the magic of Christmas. The magic. I'll clap it now. Bye, friends. I love you. Merry Christmas.